Alrighty guys, Andy here. Welcome back to another video review. Today I want to review this wireless sports headband by MusiCozy or MusiCozy. It's predominantly sold as a sports headband, so a wireless speaker setup that you can sync to your phone for music and phone calls, but also I like this as a way to listen to your music, audiobooks or YouTube whilst you sleep. Now, I was bought a product by my wife quite a few years ago, probably 5 years ago now, I think they were called SleepPhones, but it's basically exactly the same as this concept that you put around your head when you're sleeping and you can listen to your audiobooks or music as you fall off to sleep. It's got a sleep timer function, so it will go off after 15 minutes, half an hour, whatever you want to put it on as, and it's a great way if you're struggling to get to sleep and you just need some white noise or something so your brain isn't thinking about stuff. It's a great way of falling off to sleep. So this is a great substitute for that, because back then that particular item was being sold for 60, 90 pounds, something like that, an awful lot of money. And I bought this for the same purpose. I do run as well, so I can also use it for running, but I'm not sure, it will get pretty sweaty. These bands do go into the wash. You can take out the speakers and the wireless device so you can wash it, but to be honest with you, if I do use it for running, I'll probably buy another one specifically for running, so I don't really want a really sweaty headband to wear in bed as and when I want to use it. But the great thing about these is they're so cheap. I think it was around 15 or 16 pounds I paid on Amazon. I'll link it down into the description so you can check it out, but it is so cheap compared to the 90, 60, 90 pounds that the SleepPhones were when they first came out. It was new technology. They were the only ones doing it really, but ultimately it is just simply a wireless receiver with a couple of very slim speakers around about where your ears are going to be, and so it's quite a simple concept but very effective and really useful. If you're going to try and wear earphones in bed, you're going to get wrapped around the cables. I've tried it once, it's not much fun. You end up almost strangling yourself if you fall off to sleep with them in, and you're going to crush into your ears as well on the pillow. It's just not the way to do it. Something like this, no wires, it's all soft. It's a great way to sleep as well as wearing this band at the same time. So a great little device either for sports and for running or for sleeping as well. So let's crack this one open and see what it's like. As you can see on the back here, obviously this is a Chinese built and developed device, so the quality is going to be potentially lower than something that might have been designed and spec'd in the West, but I don't let that stop me, because they're perfectly capable of building some perfectly decent stuff at a great price. So I always give these things a chance. Obviously it's with Amazon, so you can send them right back if you don't like them. So I've got high hopes for something like this. It's simple technology that's been around a while. It's quite possible to get something built that you don't have to reinvent the wheel with something like this. So yes, it is a Chinese product, but that means it's a lot cheaper than a Western creative product that will charge you the best part of £100 compared to 15. I'd rather give these a go. There we are. That is the item itself. There's a manual. That's the box. That's your charging lead, standard USB, mini USB charging lead. Here's the item itself. So as you can see, it's just a straight headband. It's got the controller on here on the outside. Power, plus, minus for the volume, right where you need it. The speakers are in here. Pretty slim. That's on the side where your head's going to be, nice and slim. Yep, pretty straightforward. I mean, these things are so simple. You can choose the size of your head roughly, but they're made of like a lycra material, so they're going to stretch nicely. It feels very soft. Already quite impressed with this. Let's check out the manual. It's very thin, there's not much here. Apparently it has a 150 amp hour battery, lithium polymer type, charging time 1 to 2 hours with a continuous playback time of up to 8 hours. which isn't bad. And given the fact that these will go into sleep mode once they stop getting a signal, so you might think that if you're going to use them for bed, then that might be over in one sleep session, but they're not going to be on all that time. It will turn itself off. It might not even use an hour's worth of time, so you probably get a week's worth of charge out of an 8-hour playback, I would guess. So you can press the power button here as well, which will allow you to pause and play music at any time. There's also a mic here, so if you're wearing them and you get a call, you can take a call with this as well, hands-free, which is very useful. If you're out jogging or something, you can literally answer the phone whilst you're using them. And then the plus and minus while you're listening to music will let you go to the next track or the track before, whereas a long press of the plus and minus will actually change the volume. So that is where this little controller is, and it's just in a little envelope here. So you can access it for charging. That's where you can plug it in there. It's a simple little device, and the whole thing will come out. It's even got little plugs there that you can unplug the speakers and pull them out and then wash the whole thing. Nice and easy, really simple. Like I said, the technology here is very simple, but the end result is really nice. So far, the quality of this is really good. So what I will do, I'll give this some use for a few weeks. I'll try it out and I will give you my opinion when we come back. Alrighty guys, welcome back. It's been a couple of weeks now since I've received this MusiCozy headband in the post, and I must admit, I'm really impressed with it. Given the low price point, there was always that possibility that it could be low quality or it could break, and there's always that chance. But for around about 15 or 16 pounds, it was well worth the punt, so to speak, because when my SleepPhones broke that I used for listening to music and media whilst in bed, when that finally broke and wouldn't connect to my phone anymore, you know, I was really lacking something, because it became such a useful part of sort of watching the odd YouTube video in bed or listening to music as I fall asleep. It's just a really useful thing to help you fall off to sleep. If your mind's buzzing full of stuff, you know, I tend to continue thinking about things as I fall off to sleep, and it's difficult sometimes to fall off sleep. So that is a fantastic thing. And I do run as well. I've been running for about 6 months now, and having some Bluetooth music in your ears is also useful, but you don't want big, heavy, bulky headphones either. And so something like this, which is kind of like an incorporated sweatband as well at the same time, is really useful. But as I said in the initial review, I think I'm going to get a separate one for running, because you really do sweat into it, and it won't be long before it's going to be a little bit manky. So I'll have a separate one that I can regularly wash, and then a separate one for sleeping that probably won't need washing as often, so I'm not going to be sweating half as much when I'm lying in bed. So far so good. I'm really impressed with it. It's easy to connect with the phone. In fact, it connects the quickest out of all of my Bluetooth devices. You've only got to turn it on, turn your Bluetooth on, and it connects straight away. So I've been really impressed with that. It just works. The speaker quality is more than good enough. Obviously they're tiny little slimline speakers that you can't even see in here, but the padding is reasonable. They're flat. If you've got it next to your ear and you're lying on the pillow, they don't feel too uncomfortable. The main thing actually is this bit here. I don't know if you can see, but the back of the actual control device doesn't have any padding. So if you're going to feel anything, you're going to feel that against your head. But again, it's not sharp, it's not solid, it's not anything, and it's not at a pressure that's going to cause any sort of problem. So yeah, all in all, it's very comfortable to wear, easy to use, it just works, and for that price, it's such a bargain. So I've linked it down in the description below if you want to check it out yourself and see what you think. I definitely give it a thumbs up for usability. The quality is fine. Obviously, you're not going to get massive bass out of this, but if you're You know, if you're running along, I've been listening to Spotify and other music apps, and the quality is pretty good, I've got to say. It's not distorting. The bass is there. There is enough bass. It's not tinny. They're not sort of like bad quality speakers. And when you're listening to it as a sleep device, obviously you're not listening to massive bass when you're doing that anyway. It would be a weird thing to listen to some drum and bass or happy hardcore when you're trying to fall off to sleep. So realistically, it's fit for purpose. The sound quality is more than good enough. And yeah, for the price point, it just gets 2 thumbs up from me, really. So if you're interested in a device for either exercising or sleeping in, yeah, it's perfect. And yeah, I can't really find any snag for it, other than maybe I might have put in a little bit more padding on the back of the actual control device, but I haven't found it uncomfortable to make it a problem. It's just noticeable that there is a flat thing against your forehead after a while, but yeah, not uncomfortable. This material, the band material, is super soft, and the stitching is very good quality as well. There's no chance I'm going to get a close-up of that with the light, but the stitching is very well put together. Again, for something that comes from China, you're half expecting some potentially bad workmanship, but nothing's come unstitched, nothing has frayed. It's still exactly the same as it came out of the box a couple of weeks later. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend it if you're looking for a low-priced solution for some wireless headphones. Okay, I'll put it on, but forgive my hair. I haven't had a haircut in quite a few weeks for obvious reasons. We're not going to mention the name of the thing that mustn't be mentioned. Just trying to get on with life as best we can, but I haven't been able to get to a barber's for a long time, so forgive my massive hair. But as you can see, it's going to fit over your head all right. I probably look a little bit ridiculous when I'm running, but in the winter, it's going to keep your ears warm and keep the wind out of your face and your ears, which is nice. The speakers fit perfectly exactly where my ears are. And yeah, if you're a woman, then obviously a headband is useful to keep your hair in check out of your face. So it has multiple uses. And yes, probably not going to look a bit weird if you're running, but I don't care. I'm running. I'm never going to look glamorous because I'm pulling some strange expressions when I'm running anyway. So yeah, it's comfortable. I've got a fairly small head, but they come in different sizes, and yeah, very comfortable, really easy. You could wear this for hours and it wouldn't be uncomfortable. So yeah, 2 thumbs up for me. I hope you found it useful. Please give me a thumbs up for this review video if you have. Link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.